Hello everyone and welcome back to Aqualo, founded by a hobbyist for hobbyists. Today's an in-depth look at the Hygger's single sponge filter. Don't worry, this unit does not come disassembled. I purposely took the filter apart for you to see all the moving parts, and just in case you take yours apart to clean, you now have a roadmap of how to assemble yours. The main bottom elbow has a rubber ring to assure that there's no air leakage, because any leak will weaken the suction power. Before I forget, the sponge course is 60 ppi. Here's the filter all assembled. All the Lego parts gives this filter the flexibility to bend it just like this. This is useful for deep and narrow aquariums. Let's go ahead and prep this filter for an aquarium. I find that the easiest way to plug in the plastic airline is to remove the airline pipe, then plug in the tube just like so. I like to give new sponges a few squeezes to soak up some water. This will help put on some weight, keeping the filter from trying to float. Here's the filter in action. You can see water flowing out of the exit tube. And now performing underwater. Talk about flexibility. You can also bend the filter at a 90 degrees angle. Now, according to Hygger, the filter is supposed to create suction in this way. But in my testing, I found something different. Here's fruit coloring being released with the filter running. If you look carefully, you can actually see the ink going into the sponge, and that proves Hygger's point. But being that fish detritus or poop is not always a liquid form, I found that if you have a bare bottom tank, this suction style actually pulls a lot of poop under it, making it easier to clean since most of the poop is piled up. That's about everything I can find on this filter. I don't believe there's another filter like this in the market. You can pick one up through us in the link below. And thank you in advance for supporting our small business. Please return, as we will be looking at Hygger's mini quiet air pump.